the season.
I'm going to Yosemite. Oh my god. I'm going on a trip with a couple friends. I hear it's gonna be cold. We're gonna be camping there. Actually, let me show you guys something. Sally gifted me this film camera to take pictures at Yosemite. And it looks so cool. And it makes like these cool sounds. Oh my gosh. It's crazy, bro. That is beautiful. I'm gonna be taking some nice pictures. I don't know if I'll develop them in time for you guys to see. My sleeping bag. You know, went on a lot of trips with this one. You know, we gotta get the mini toothpaste, mini face wash, and mini sunscreen. I guess it's usually mini sunscreen. Let's go. We just made it to Yosemite. It's mad beautiful, mad enjoying nature. Boom! Y'all go to nature. It's beautiful. Waiting for pizza. Go. Boom. it's snowing. I've never seen snow before. OMG. Can't even see it, but it's snowing. It's my first time seeing snow fall from the sky. Y'all, this is crazy. Dreams come true at Yosemite.
Yes.
It's snowing. The snow kind of hurts. What's going on? It's a Christmas miracle, y'all. I bring your portable. Oh man, this guy just wore my portable. Oh my gosh, it's snowing. Merry Christmas, guys.
It's a Christmas miracle.
It's a Christmas miracle. So we're going to the. Where are we going?
To the Yosemite Village.
We're going to the Yosemite Village. And now it's kind of cold. My finger's kind of hurt. I'm gonna put this phone away. We're at the cafeteria right now because it was raining and we can't use our stove outside. But it's pretty good. They said they got roasted chicken with mashed potatoes and zucchini. And that's pretty good. And let me show you guys the place.
This shit looks huge. This is a pickle. I want to know what this is.
How does a pickle get in there?
They look at each other like, that is can't even see this. You have to turn flash on.
I squeeze it?
No, it's not squeezing. Let's do this. Like, mean. And then just leave it. Like, just gradually do it slowly.
Are y'all's hot yet?
This one is getting warm. Ooh.
That's cool. Just woke up. It was so cold last night. Oh my gosh. It was like 20.
I was warm. I was warm.
She was cold too. But luckily we had the heat packs. Kept me alive. Oh my gosh. Barely. Oh my gosh. Anyways, we're gonna get breakfast now.
Coffee and muffin, hot cocoa.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, y'all check out the view. It don't get better than that. We have pizza right now. I don't really drink coffee, but everyone else is getting a drink for the morning. It's a vibe.
This is a TV?
I don't know what that is.
That's a TV.
Probably like a balcony or something.
No, that's not a TV.
Oh my gosh, that was my bed. It was so cold, but so slay. Now we're gonna go on the big hike. It'll be beautiful. Yo, the campsite was behind Half Dome the whole time. Y'all seeing this? Whoa. So misty. We're going over there. It's so misty. So misty here. We're so close. I've never been to this waterfall when it's this powerful. I just took a film photo. Gotta keep it dry though. Woo! Yeah. Leave no trace.
All the seasonings. Does it look nicer with the sausage?
I swear it's not just lettuce.
up. Oh my gosh.
We're gonna do s'mores now, but we didn't pack roasting sticks, so we're all just finding our own sticks. Wild sticks. Pretty good stick.
Burning your cigarette, hold it near me. Shit, you hit me first.
We at Tunnel View. It's kind of foggy. Yeah, we came here on the foggiest day, but still looks cool. Usually you can see Half Dome in the back, but it's nowhere to be found. I guess we camped really close to Half Dome, so we saw it for a while, you know.
Sit down.
Check out the tunnel. Yo, we in Copperopolis. Shout out Copperopolis. Shout out my Copperopolis viewers. We at the Copper Station right now. Amazing. Oh shit.